Hey, welcome back to Revenge of the Show. First time visitor, thanks for coming by. Like and subscribe, could really use the subscribers. So this episode, as you can see, I'm going to be reviewing these Eagle model kits. This is, of course, the large scale Eagle. And this is the special edition box. So it's got a signature by Brian Johnson, and he's been involved with everything from 2001 to Empire Strikes Back to doing Alien and Academy Award winner, all that good stuff. So we'll do that second. Oh, yeah. So let's do this first one. Now this is old. This is an old kit. Now they redid this kit a few years ago. It's this kit here, the exact same kit. And here we go. Old directions. It's very, very simple. Not a real lot to it. These are the parts. Again, not a real lot to it. Oh, look, I could get a blue printer, get a taste of blue printer with I don't know what that all is, but it's something that it's probably not available anymore. So anyway, this is an old AMT kit. It's the exact same kit. I'm gonna get an X-Acto knife and open this up for you. Okay, I'm opening up this for you. This kit has not been opened. I'll show you how much these are probably worth on eBay. But this came out in this year. This came out in 1988, this kit, and it hasn't changed since that time. The other kit is the one that you could get the Nick Tate autograph in. I have yet to meet anybody who got the picture of Nick Tate with his autograph. Actually, there's a bunch of people online who have this kit. And the other person that I know that built this kit is Trekworks built this small kit. You can watch his YouTube video and check it out. Well, everything's all worked out. You know, for a kit this old, this is kind of a mystery thing. Oh, I'm not gonna. There we go. I mean, this is not a perfect kit in any way, shape, or form. This stuff, it's like, if you really wanted to go mad with this, you cut these out to make the little girders and stuff like that hollow. There's people who have done that. That is too much work for me. And the decal set for the one with the Nick Tate, the newer one. Oh, here's the decals here. They're kind of stuck. These are the older decals. So the decal set for the one with Nick Tate, that is, the decals are terrible. They fall apart, apparently. It's all bad. Okay, now moving on to this kit. Came out this year. This is a 1/72nd scale Eagle kit that I was looking forward to because the big kits are cool. You know, it's like this kit, the size of the kit is perfect. I'm trying to think who else built this kit online. Might have been Lou Del Maso or somebody like that. I just can't think of who that is right now. I know Lou Del Maso. I don't remember the name of his channel at the moment, but he built a larger scale eagle. And I'm sure there's other people out there that have done this kit, or at least the bigger kit. Come on. Here we go. Here we go. Wow. Get a base with it. It's a typical MPC or round 2 type of base. Directions. Oh, this is night and day. This is completely night and day of what you get with that other kit. I mean, forget about that kit. Don't get that kit. So, okay, let's look at the directions first. And as you can see, they're offering the Hawk Eagle, which I have, but this is just the regular Eagle kit. Looks like a nice straightforward directions. And yeah, I mean, I can't tell you, AMT, you did a really good job with this kit. From what I can see. Wow. Yeah, this is just a double of this one here. It's the same thing. But yeah, nice lines there. I mean, these grids or tubes or whatever you want to call them, that is great. I mean, there's like really no flash on this thing at all. And then you look and you see, look at this. Look at the work in there. I mean, like these fans or whatever they are. I mean, they look fantastic. The door looks great. So same thing here. Now, just like all the other Eagles, you could buy like aluminum bells for them if you choose. So you could get aluminum bells for these things, and come on. Duplicates, these are all the same. So all this in this package, this is all the same stuff here. Engine, the gas tanks. I mean, look at that. I mean, they did a great job. I mean, there's like really no flash. You don't have to do much work to these. I mean, they look great. Here's the bottom. Boop, boop. Top. You could cut this stuff out and, you know, light up the interior. Here's the base. And then we have the decals. Let's see if I could. Wow, night and day. You got Moon Base Alpha. You got a lot of decals with this sheet. They are slick. They are nice. I have not heard of anybody having problems with them as compared with their smaller scale Eagle, but that's really, really nice. You could put their little faces in there. I don't know if I'd want to do that myself if I built it, but you can if you'd like. So this is the 1/72nd scale MPC Eagle kit. I mean, boy, it looks like I really want to build this kit like right away. It's worth the money. Now we'll go on to the other kits. Right off the bat, look at that. Brian Johnson. That is pretty cool. I mean, that is his signature. And you know what? I'm gonna keep this out of the box and I am going to put a frame on that. Decals. Wow, you get a lot of decals with this. First off, we'll look at that's a lot more directions right there than the other one. I mean, it's a big freaking kit. It's hard to even keep this whole thing in, you know, in frame. Wow. So this is a decal sheet that I think this is the basic decal sheet that you get with this kit. Really, really nice, sharp. I mean, they look great. And this is, I think you only get this with the deluxe, with the Brian Johnson signature kit. I could be wrong. We'll know a little bit better when I open up that Eagle 2. Check that out. And that is really sweet. Can't tell you how much I like opening up this kit and seeing how really nice it is, especially when you had that older Space 1999 kit for all those years. It was basically a really bad model. So I'm not going to open up the clear plastic parts, but everything looks nice and clear. You know, windows look great, nice and clear. So this part tree, they're all the same, so I'm just going to take one out so you can see the detail. There's the fuel tanks, bottom of it. Nice little small lines, really no flash. And I don't see any problems with that perch tree at all. I mean, everything looks great there. This is in gray. I wonder why they did it in gray. But engine, parts of the engine. And yeah, it looks really, really nice there too. Engines look great. And that looks great. That's another nice perch tree. Did I say tree? Or tree? Tree or tree? Tree. So this tree looks like parts of the pods on the side. Everything looks really good. If you look at this stuff really close, it's like you might have to do a little bit of sanding here. It feels like there might be something there. Yeah, there's a little tiny something there that you might want to sand out. All this stuff here. Yeah, there's a little bit of something here that you might want to sand out. But other than that, very nice. Everything looks good there. No real flash at all. The doors, they look really good. You could get stuff from Paragraphics. You could get stuff from HDA Model Works and the Colt TV Man. Just to name a couple off the top of my head, where you could get the Paragraphics stuff. Green Strawberry might make stuff for it, but yeah, looks great. These guys, they're not aware of me at all. I'm just mentioning them because, hey, that's where you could go and get this stuff. And here's the parts that you really want to look at. At least I do. This is the bread and butter of the kit, right? Oh yeah. Yeah, that's sweet. Not too deep. Just deep enough. It looks like what, the kit or the ship should look like. And that is really well done. Boy, it's the MPC guys. They did their work. I forgot the guy's name that does these now, but he does a great job with it. I mean, that's nice. These things to do. I mean, there's a lot of parts on this in this ship. And I don't know what color I'm going to end up painting it. I do like the VIP Eagle, that orange. But might paint it blue. Who knows? I don't know. It's a model kit. You can do whatever you want with it. Yeah, there's a little bit of sanding that you have to do with these, but otherwise it's not too bad. Oh, that back interior looks great. I don't know if you even want to go and buy any other stuff for it. I mean, that's a really nice job right there. If you want to light stuff up, yeah. Basic, just the interior stuff that you don't really need. That's all. Oh, look, there's some flash. There's the back end of this puppy. And the last perch tree. There's the figure. Figure looks pretty good. Again, duplicate kit. You know, it doesn't look like anybody in particular. Oh, look, it's Martin Landau. You're not going to be able to tell that. I don't know who it's supposed to be. So, I'm going to put this to the side, and then I'm going to bring this Eagle 2 right over here. We'll take a look at that. See if there's any difference. All right, here we go. We're going to open up this bad boy. See what we got going here. This ship I picked up at Wonderfest. If you've never been there, check out my other videos. And please like and subscribe. So here is the directions. And other big, gigantic sheet. I do not see the second decal sheet, so you don't get that. Looks like you do only get that in the special edition kit, the Brian Johnson kit. Yep. They're still really nice decals. They're a little bit different. Let's see. So, with the deluxe kit, you get, you know, or that other Eagle kit, you get all that, plus different colors for Moonbase Alpha. And you do get a lot of stuff in this one. You get more stuff in this one, but you get, I mean, this is, that's a lot of stuff. Very nice decal sheet. Wow. Oh, this isn't wrapped up in plastic, which is strange. Now this, you know, also this kit is not a pair. Oh, no, never mind. It's got black stuff. So this is the main thing that you're getting that's different with this kit, is these doors for the Science of Eagle. So there, that's, oh, there's even little stuff in here. Again, the doors look great. These fine lines in here, nice and crisp. Oh, nice. Yeah. And this looks like the, you know, the same thing you get with the other kit. There's no difference there. Here's another one. This package looks exactly the same like the other kit. No change in there. Qualities, engine bells, everything here looks exactly the same as the other kit as well. And the little figures, this one is a little bit different. This kit has got some differences. There's the other one. All right, so here's this kit. And you can see, you know, no spacesuit. This is more like a character Tony that was on the second season of the show. And there he is, Tony. Yeah, this is that kid's tree, and this is the other kid's tree. They're different trees. And then this is the other tree. This has got the Commander Koenig maybe, and then this tree is separate, that's connected to it. So I just did a little bit of things different there. And then you got the same thing here. All right, and then you got some of the other pieces in there. So everything is exactly the same with the Eagle. Just the trees are a little bit different. There's a few tiny differences as far as to make this kit into the Science Eagle. There's not much of a difference. So there you have it. I mean, part trees are a little bit different. So in conclusion, I'm going to rate these 1 to 11. Why?
These go to 11.
And here we go. We'll start off with this. This is the old one, and also the one where you could get the Nick Tate autograph. This kit, and with everything I've heard about the decals and just everything else about it, it's a 3. You know, if maybe a little kid might like it or something like that, but otherwise, stay away. Now this one, wow. All these kits here. I'm just gonna go and say it. All these big kits. This kit, this kit, this kit, MPC. It's an 11. This is an 11. I mean, this is, if you want an accurate recreation of the model kit that was used on the show, these are badass, and the decals are nice as hell. And this one, if I could give it more than 11, because I got Brian Johnson's autograph with this. You know, these are great looking kits. I have not seen anything with it. If you've built these kits, let me know what you thought of them. And did they go together well? It looks like, you know, everything's going to go together really, really well. I mean, it's not a very difficult kit. So let me know how you liked it if you built it. What I've seen, it blows me away. Some of the best things that I've ever seen MPC come out with. With that, thank you. Like and subscribe. And let's see. Bye-bye.